Etrack is a versatile tool that you can add to your trailer that will open up a world of cargo securement possibilities. Etrack is customizable, dependable, and easy to install. There are hundreds of accessories specifically made to attach to Etrack that will allow you to secure cargo in your trailer like never before. Today, we'll be taking a look at the Mytee Products Etrack Ratchet Strap with wire hooks. It's a great way to secure cargo within your trailer, van, or anywhere you have Etrack installed. Crafted from heavy-duty polyester and boasting a working load limit of 500 pounds, our ratchet strap is great for securing equipment, bikes, boxes, and more. The ratcheting mechanism allows you to tighten down the strap with ease. The ratchet strap has both Etrack fittings and wire hooks, so you can secure it to normal anchor points as well as Etrack. Here's how to use it. The ratchet strap consists of two straps, a fixed end with a ratcheting mechanism and a longer adjustable end. Feed the long end of the strap through the ratchet while it's in the open position. Now anchor the fixed end of the strap to your Etrack, or you can use the wire to hook it onto a D-ring. Pull most of the slack through the ratchet. This is an important step you cannot miss. If you try and ratchet too much of the strap, it will jam up your ratcheting mechanism and break it. Once you've pulled the majority of the slack through, hook the other end of the strap into an Etrack fitting or use the wire to anchor to a hook. Now, use the ratcheting mechanism to tighten the strap over your cargo. Make sure you don't ratchet the strap too much as it could crush your cargo. Once the strap is tight, your cargo is secure. Now, simply roll up the excess strap and tuck it away. To release the strap later on, pull up the ratchet handle to unlock it, remove it from the Etrack fitting or hook, and tightly pull on the strap until it comes free. The Mytee Products Etrack Ratchet Strap with E-fittings and wire hooks will help you stay organized and keep your cargo secure. Haul safe, earn more. That's the Mytee Products way. Head on over to myteeproducts.com or call 1-888-705-8277 to purchase your Etrack Ratchet Strap with E-fittings and wire hooks.